You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names, including Spanish names, make sure to stay tuned. We have many more videos you can listen to. I'll link to a few for you at the end. The Spanish pronunciation, Graciela. Now in Spain, central Spain, they pronounce the C like TH, th, Graciela. In other parts of Spain or South America, Mexico, they pronounce the C like an S, Graciela, Graciela. So Graciela or Graciela. In English, you can simply say Graciela. I don't think that's Italian, so there wouldn't be a Gracella. Gracella would be Italian, but it's more Spanish. Graciela, you could say, would be the English pronunciation. Graciela, from how to pronounce in Spanish, Graciela. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.